Hey guys, it's Matt here. It's Thursday, May 28th, and surprise trading today. Got done with my morning obligation and just figured out what the hell I'll log in around 8 o'clock here and a quarter of 8, something like that. And this ABIO, which was a fucking gift to everyone who knows how to do anything, I think, which that doesn't even include me, because I'm not claiming I know how to do anything yet, but it was nice. I mean, it had some good action. It reminded me of Pixie from last week or the week before, whenever that was, PIXY. Um, pretty good spread, but jumping around quite a bit, and everything was bouncing. I mean, it was bouncing off highs, it was bouncing off pullbacks. But look at all these wicks. You can just basically any sharp movement, you can just counter it and be in and out in a few seconds. So, although my first trade, just so you know, I sized down for this because it was later in the day. I hadn't really been watching all morning, so I didn't have the vibe or anything like that. I didn't have a good feel for what was going on in the market. So I took 10 shares, got in initially here. Let's zoom this out a little bit, or zoom it in. So it made a new high of day here, I think. Shit. Is that a new high of day? Yeah. So it made a new high of day there and then pulled back. I initially got filled at 13. I thought we'd get some support there, but it dropped lower than that. So I took another 10 shares at 12.77 and then got out at 13 and 13.05. So basically, I took a 12-cent loss on my first entry. That's the way I'm looking at it. And then a 13-cent, no, 23-cent win on my second entry. So overall, it was like $1.10 or something like that. And then it pulled back here, and I rightly waited for this to drop toward 12. As you can see, it ended up coming down here to the 1170s, but pretty much popped right off. So I got filled at 12.02 on the way down. It dropped, popped right back up, and I got filled at 12.30, which is all the way up here. That literally was I was in 9 seconds for that one. So yeah, that was quick. And then as you can see, it dropped back down and then it consolidated for a while. But man, this thing had some rip on it later in the day. Look at that. Pretty. Anyway, surprise trading today. I didn't expect to sit down and see anything worth trading, but up 390 on the day, and we'll be back at it tomorrow, Friday. Should have some decent buying power, and we'll go from there.